Oh my gosh, I did it. This is me, Shar'dea, coming at y'all with first video ever. Like, y'all see this? Y'all see it. If y'all like it, keep watching. But please first subscribe, like, give me a few comments, tell me what you like, don't like, what I should try different. I'm just getting into this. I'm ready to bring my vibes. Can't tell me nothing. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, starting off, we're going to use the original RMCA powder to go ahead and set my brows. Go ahead and get this pencil right. Go ahead and get these brows looking snatched. Whew, I love me some good brows, y'all. If you know me, you know I love me some good brows. If the brows not cute, throw the whole face away. But yeah, certain things I do in the video, I no longer do. This is an old video. I just wanted to get it out there. But anyway, look at them brows, y'all. Do y'all see them? Now I'm finna go ahead and brush these out. Go ahead and show y'all I'm finna use this HD Pro Concealer to go ahead and sculpt these girls out. I don't know about y'all, but brows is a process for me. Like, take your time. And me, I don't like to put the concealer right on my outline of my brow. I like to start a little bit under. That way, if I need to, I can move the concealer up. So that way, once I blend out, I'm not moving the concealer into my brow. Those who get it. I'm gonna have to just show y'all because that is a mess, especially when the concealer does not dry and you try to put eyeshadow on top. Yeah, hot mess. But I know y'all saw them brows, so now I'm gonna go ahead and blend, 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 blend. Check me out. Yes, I'm good. I'm liking it. Now I'm gonna get into my matte putty primer. I was so excited to use this. I literally put it all over my face and I was loving it. But definitely next time, T-zone only. Now I'm about to go in with my Fit Me Golden Deep. This is the shade 368. Right now, I'm looking at it and it's just like, okay, it may be a little too perfect. Next time, maybe I just need to go a little darker. But, we just gonna keep going. Yeah, don't pay no attention to what I'm doing right now because I have never, for whatever reason, I chose to do this video using all my smaller brushes, and I'm going to just guess that I needed to clean my brushes and I didn't feel like waiting for them to dry. So I made it do what it do with my tiny brushes. And yes, just look at it. Look at it. You see how it's a little too light on my forehead, but it's okay because we got the contour that's gonna go there. In this, yeah, the whole no, I don't know what I was thinking about. Maybe I'll do it again, but I have never put foundation and just contour my nose first, especially I don't even got concealer on my nose yet. So yeah, we just gonna keep watching and watching and watching, and yes, blend, 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 blend. Do you see this little brush? I don't know what I thought I was doing, but baby, I was doing the thing. Now we're going to take the same concealer I used before and place it underneath my eyes for a brighter eye. Then we're going to take it and we're going to put it under my nose, just for a little extra highlight. I saw a makeup artist do this. I cannot remember her name right now, but she did it and I was like, okay, I want to try it. So, yeah, y'all going to see how that turned out. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on my chin, my nose. Ooh, look at it. Yes. Gorgeous. I put my contour on before I even blended out the concealer, but learn and process, y'all. Learn and process. I'm sharing my learning with y'all so that way y'all can see why you don't do things a certain way, or if you do, you just gotta work a little harder. Okay, now we're just about done blending. Blend, 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 blend. And I'm going to go ahead and get my beauty blender and, try to bring some of that foundation back to life. Now I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup to set my face. Little bab, 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 badab. Okay, and since that one, I don't want it to go out no more than that, we're gonna get a different fluffy brush and just blend out these lines because we can't have lines. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I didn't even show.
A girl like me want to do is beat her face. That's all I want to do. I just want to come over here, beat my face for the gods. Just want to make sure you're real nice and, covered, Gonna go in right here with this color. I'm gonna take this little shot. Okay, I'm gonna pop that right here. Get that situated all throughout here. Because I like that. Gonna blend you out. Oh, and ta-da, bam, bam. Gorgeous. Mess a little bit, have a little pink top.